It's my birthday today. And guess what the first thing I did is when I woke up? You're not gonna imagine this. I went to the gym. I picked up my gym gear and I went to train because I was grateful. Grateful that God has given me this body. Grateful that God has given me health. Grateful that God has given me a mind and a mouth to be able to speak my truth, to be able to guide the lost sheep in today's world. You see, the dedication that I show to my life, the dedication that I show to the gym, that I just want to keep maintaining this structure that was gifted to me. My dedication is the reason why I'm successful. And this is what I'm trying to teach men. Brother, it doesn't matter where you start. You have to just keep going. You must implement the habits that will turn you into a monster. And one of the primary habits is looking like a man. If you don't look like a man, you won't be treated like a man. Trust me on this one. When I'm out of shape, it's my own confidence that lets me down. Yesterday I did a video about how important it is for men to approach women. Now, you can only approach women if you feel good about yourself. How are you going to feel good about yourself? Most young men in today's world are pussies and don't know how to speak to girls, and they're scared. And they just think that they'd be disturbing someone if they were to approach them and have a conversation. You see, step one before you have a conversation is to build yourself as a man. Step one is to look like a man. It's to have confidence. It's to have self-esteem. It's to be strong. It's to have a strong lion's heart. I have the heart of a lion. I'm scared of nothing but God. Nothing in this world scares me. God is the only person that will scare me. Now, it might be different if you walk up to me and point a gun to my head, then obviously I'm going to be scared and I'm going to do what I need to do to protect myself from that situation without being stupid. However, my dedication this morning, given that it's my birthday, to go to the gym, to push weights again, this is a form of gratitude. I am grateful that I have this body. I'm grateful that I can train hard. I'm grateful that I can look this good, that my body can be in this sort of shape, that I can be in this sort of strength. This is an absolute blessing. And the only thing I'm thinking about on my birthday today is how gracious and how grateful I am to live in this beautiful world and to live in this beautiful place and to have the freedom to do so. But that came from hard, dedicated habits. I've been hitting the gym consistently since I'm 16 years old. To all the new subscribers that are subscribed to my channel, welcome. Welcome to the glory. This is the channel that's going to rise you. It's like the phoenix rising from the ashes. Okay, I want to turn the men that are weak and timid and that are living in poverty and living in difficulty and living in scarcity. I want to turn you into an abundant, beautiful man, a strong man who builds a body, who is happy, who serves God, who is adored by women, who is adored by people, who has a certain energy and aura when he walks into the room. This is the kind of man I want to build. This is the kind of man I have built myself. And it took me a long time to do this, but I'm going to show you a much faster way of doing this. I'm going to show you the shortcuts. I'm not going to make this difficult for you and tell you it's going to take 10, 20 years. It took me a long time because I had no one to mentor me. I had no one to show me what I was supposed to be doing. I had no one to guide me. Nothing. And then I found God last year, and he has guided me along this journey. He has given me the power to be gracious. He has given me the power to continue and to carry on and to do beautiful, great things. The point of this video is to show you that even on my birthday, I woke up, I didn't do a shot of tequila. Don't worry, I'll be getting obliterated later on. I'll drink, I'll do everything possible, all of it, all of the array, and to celebrate my wonderful life. But the way I started is the way I mean to go on. I woke up and I said, God, thank you for giving me a beautiful family. Thank you for allowing me to live somewhere like this. Keep guiding me and make me strong. Don't make the burden on my shoulders lighter, make my shoulders stronger so I can carry a heavier burden. And you can make it heavier and heavier and heavier day by day. And my shoulders will get stronger and stronger and stronger in order to be able to carry that burden on behalf of humanity. There is too much pain. There is too much suffering. I will not allow this shit to enter into your lives and into your hearts. I will save you from this bullshit. Be dedicated, be strong. You need to employ these habits as a man over a consistent long-term basis. You won't always win, you'll have losses and it will be painful, but you'll always come back stronger than ever. You'll always come back to the battlefield. You'll always pick up that sword and you will never give up and you will never leave the battlefield. You are winners and you have joined a channel of a winner, and we will do this together.